Oh my god, are you look at him, he's so cute.
And a young one right there. Oh, there's the other one over there.
Wow.
Too bad the picture just goes so fuzzy when I try to zoom in. Sucks about digital zoom. Always end up seeing cool stuff on Limekiln Trail. This tree kind of seems to have healed itself. Huh. I wonder if that's part of the old bridge. Huh.
Come on, dude. Oops. Go
Hang
on.
it.
Oop,
There he goes. Alright, time to get this going for 4th of July weekend. I got corn on the cob I'm going to do on here and some freaking fish sandwiches and stuff. Corn on the cob with garlic, salt, and butter. Got the other one ready? Alright, the corn is on. 2 of them have roasted pineapple habanero and 2 of them have the sweet chili sauce. So, yeah. Oh, yeah. Okay, I got the corn sitting in the warming area, whatever. These are getting finished up and oh my gosh. Woo, they look good. Yep. Vampire Slayer. That's some good stuff. Got some friggin' pasta, sweet onion, garlic. Ran out of the fresh stuff. I was getting ready to chop it up, but it wasn't any good anymore. So, next best thing. Just added a bunch of garlic to this pasta, and the pasta was already cooked with like garlic salt. And we're going to be adding garlic cheese to it. So holy shit, talk about Vampire Slayer. I'll eat this stuff, and we're going to put some shrimp in it and stuff like that. And then there's going to be salad and other cheese and whatnot. All I have to do is fart, and I'll kill every single vampire in Washington State, man. Who cares? It's the Pastafarian way. Okay, time to chop up this garlic cheese Vampire Slayer into smaller chunks. This is my box. Nobody else's. My box. Mine, mine, mine. Huh, Scooter? Kitty in a box. Alright, that's all nice and cut up. And I added some of that and mixed it up really good so it's not sticking to itself, so that it'll mix a little bit better with the pasta. I think it'll work. Makes sense. Yep.
Shrimpy.
Salad and that stuff. That sandwich is from last night because I couldn't eat everything, so I stuck it in the fridge. Here's some coleslaw and oh crap. I better add cheese to this. Ah, jeez.
I brought you special.
Ah, jeez.
What is it?
Watching a really old movie.
Football? That's right. When I was your age, television was called books. And this is
It looks like Columbo. Chicken and onions with my play. Let this simmer uncovered for a bit of a spell. Well, keep this going so it starts to caramelize, and then everything else I think just needs heated up in the microwave. Sometimes you just gotta go to the Snohomish Alfies. Comcast authorized contractor. Alright, kind of blackened the salmon patties. I think I forgot to spread the mayo on that one. Oh well, who cares? Yep, I think you're about done. I've been eating a lot of fish lately. Something about that rig looks rather familiar. Yep.
my guess is that there's going to be some grilling going on. Gotta get that grill nice and clean. Yep. Screw you and your gas grill. It's clean. Still hanging here. Maybe I should have made the floor of this thing solid. But, yeah, who cares? I'll find my clippers and snip that away. Didn't end up grilling what I thought I was going to grill, but that's okay. Do it another night. Plenty of other nights. And I got plenty of firewood.
Mallets are not from mollusks.
Oh, okay.